As a proud vehicle owner, you naturally want the best hands under the hood. At Integrity Transmission and Auto Service Center, we strive to provide the most professional and reliable repair and maintenance services. From the tires and brakes to the transmission to the alternator, our crew of experienced and highly trained mechanics will make sure that your car, truck, or SUV is ready for the road. Get in touch to schedule your appointment. Integrity Transmission and Auto Service Center. Give us a call or visit our website now.